This video shows the moment a formwork scaffold and support system collapse at a construction site. As the weight of the freshly poured concrete exceeds the support structure's capacity, the floor collapses within seconds and the workers fall to the ground. Fortunately, no serious injuries occurred in the incident. To prevent such accidents, formwork and scaffold systems must be carefully inspected in advance. In this video, a crane loses its balance and tips over after lifting a load that exceeds its capacity. To prevent such accidents, the ground must be stable, the load must be properly calculated, and the outriggers must be fully secured. Heavy loads should not be lifted without ensuring safety. This security camera footage shows the moment a prefabricated concrete framework collapses like dominoes at a large construction site. The concrete columns and beams under construction begin to collapse in a chain reaction due to a sudden loss of balance or an assembly error. As concrete blocks weighing tons crash to the ground within seconds, a major disaster is narrowly averted thanks to the workers escaping at the last moment. To prevent such accidents, the assembly of structural elements and the stability of load-bearing systems must be carefully monitored. A young man who climbs onto the roof panels to retrieve a ball that has landed on a house's roof fails to consider how fragile the surface is. The panels that make up the roof suddenly break when they cannot support the weight. To prevent such accidents, one should never step directly onto fragile roof surfaces whose load-bearing capacity is unknown. One of the workers preparing to pour concrete at a construction site experiences an unfortunate incident. When the pressure of the concrete coming out of the hose suddenly increases, the worker holding the hose is thrown backward. Fortunately, no serious injuries occur. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this.